guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Hey. Before we get into today's video, all up in here, what I need y'all to do is go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Yes, go ahead and do that because this channel is fun. We do a lot of stuff. Too much stuff sometimes. So go ahead and click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell because I upload often and you don't want to miss any of those. But today is Clean Out Your Closet Day. Yes, I said Clean Out Your Closet Day. Oh, yeah. Sad, huh? I feel sad just saying it out loud because I really dread doing it. But y'all remember them clothes that was in my last video? They were my summer clothes, spring clothes that need to come out of the basement. Yes, they are out. And I have to get them in the closet. So first thing first is I need to throw away some stuff. Throw some stuff away. Look at all this. Look at all this. I don't even wear half the stuff in the closet. Let me just be honest. I don't wear half the stuff in this closet. I don't. So I'm gonna really go through it and dig out things that I don't wear first. I'm going to start with the shoes. Y'all, I am going to start at the top with the shoes first, and we are going to get rid of a whole bunch of shoes because I don't wear them all. They're just taking up empty space. Now, I don't touch Aaron's side of the closet because he has, y'all know his side of the closet just be super neat and always together. So there's no need to even, don't even worry about that. But the Mess Express over here, honey, it's team too much. So let's get started. Let's start with the shoes. We're purging today. Step 1, get rid of shoes you don't wear, okay? Today, I feel good because I'm making some progress in my closet. No one wants to clean out their closet unless you're like an organizational freak, and I would like to be you one day because I'm not. You know, I'm not a hoarder. Don't let me go that far. I'm not a hoarder, but you know, I'm a seasonal organizational person. Boom. Is that a new phrase I just created? I have no idea. But I'm gonna get a plastic bag to put these in, and then you guys, some of my shoes did not have a bin, and I was about to go and buy more bins. So with that being said, I'm not gonna buy more bins. I don't need them because now I have empty ones. So yes, I saved money and I saved space in my closet. We've got one thing done, which is I've gotten all my shoes that I'm throwing away in a bag, ready for Goodwill, okay? Winning! Now, I have went through all my boxes. So I put the shoes that I currently bought in the boxes. And now, you guys, we are ready for purses. So I kind of went through handbags maybe a couple of months ago. So I shouldn't have too many handbags that I'm going to be purging from my closet. But y'all know me. I do. I got to make room for my new booze, okay? Out with the old, in with the new. Who's the goner? It's time. Oh, Lord Jesus. I bought this so long ago, but it's time. Child, I can't even figure out how to get my hand in this bag. Yep, y'all see that? It's gone. Gone. All right. Here's another bag that I do not wear. You know, so I don't know what a little cute wallet that goes with this one. I don't wear this bag anymore. It's cute, but I never grab it, you know? I mean, I'm just gonna leave it. Nope, keeping the Gucci. All right. Now, here is a Michael Kors bag. Kate Spade wallet that don't go together, but child. Oh, this one is dirty, honey. I'm a Kate. Oh, look at the dust. Girl, when was the last time you came out? I don't even know. Okay, so the wallet, you know. This little wallet goes, you know, up in here. Okay. So, it's looking like, oh, trash. Don't know what that's about. And have another bag that I'm done with. Yep. I found my keys. Now that we've done the handbags, y'all, it's time for us to go through the clothes. I'm so dramatic. It's time to go through the clothes. This is the toughest part for me because I don't like to part with any of my stuff. I just don't like to part with any of my stuff. So, with that being said, we're going to tackle this bad boy because if I ain't wear it, it got to go. To Goodwill, and these are just tops. These aren't even bottoms yet. This needs to go in the basement. I'm getting Mr. Barnett to put this up once I put it in one of the storage bins. I mean, I just come with so much stuff. I really do. I don't know why, and you see I'm going through it. I'm trying, you guys, to kind of like go through some of my stuff and get rid of it. But I look like so many things, you know, it's hard to part with it. Anyway, all right, we're gonna finish this. We're gonna finish. Okay, so the last part of the closet, you know, I'm gonna do this row probably another day because it's just little stuff that needs to go somewhere else in the house. So, but all my pins and my skirts, I'm gonna go through those next, and we're gonna purge through it and get rid of some of this stuff because all this can't possibly make it, you know, just saying.